Semolina and condensed milk can do a huge difference to a cake, and I'm going to show you how to do the semolina, condensed milk and yogurt cake. For this recipe I'm using 90 grams semolina with 75 grams self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, add half a teaspoon of baking powder with a pinch of salt. 50 grams sugar. You can always increase or decrease the amount of sugar in your recipes, as the condensed milk contains sugar too. And 100 grams any dried fruit that you have. 125 grams sour cream, 2 eggs. Instead of sour cream, you can always use yogurt or curd. 2 eggs, a teaspoon vanilla, and half a can condensed milk. So let's start doing this. First, separate the eggs. Add the egg white into a mixing bowl, and into that add the sugar and whisk it until it comes to the soft peak. After, transfer that to another bowl. Now into the same mixing bowl, add the yogurt and the egg yolks. Into that add a drop of vanilla. Mix. After, add the semolina, about a quarter teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and the self-raising flour. Start mixing slowly. Into that add the dried fruit. Now take it out. After, add the egg whites in few batches. I'm using this 18-inch cake pan, and into that pour the cake batter in. At this point, the oven should be preheated to 180 Celsius. Spread. And this goes to the preheated oven about 20 to 25 minutes, so until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Now the semolina and yogurt cake is ready, and going to poke it using a chopstick. Make sure to poke it until you touches the bottom of the pan. After, slowly pour the condensed milk over. and now leave to cool down. I'll cut it after and show you how it looks like.